Hey guys, my name is Ingrid and welcome to I Pink It. Today I'm back in my kitchen and it's time to show you a new cooking video. For the past few weeks I've been traveling in Europe and every time I travel I get inspired to cook new recipes at home. Especially when you have a very restricted diet due to food allergies, it is essential that you explore other places and you check their cuisines so once you're back home you can try to attempt those recipes. So, the last time that I was in LA, I got to try vegan buffalo wings and let me tell you, they tasted just like chicken. I got to do the recipe one time at my place and it tasted delicious. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make vegan gluten-free buffalo wings. I personally make them without soy and without any nuts due to my allergies, and I also cook without any oil. This is a personal preference, so if you want to learn how to make all of these top 8 allergen free plus with no oil, then keep on watching. Alright, I'm excited and I can't wait to show you how we're going to be making top 8 allergy-free buffalo cauliflower wings. Cauliflower is essential when you are vegan. Basically, this vegetable is going to mimic whichever flavor you give it. If you want it to taste like chicken, to meat, to fish, etc., you can give it the flavor and it's going to take it. One more veggie that is really good for mimicking flavors is potatoes, and one fruit that is also really good is coconuts. However, a few of you might be allergic to coconuts, so if you are, stick to using potatoes and cauliflowers. For this specific recipe, we are going to make this cauliflower look like buffalo chicken wings. I'm so excited, they are delicious and I wish that at the end of this video you could taste it. But I know that a lot of you are going to be attempting this recipe at home. Another ingredient that you're going to need is flour. In my case, I'm allergic to wheat and I'm also allergic to nuts. So I can only use buckwheat, oat flour, and also coconut flour. Today I'm gonna stick to using oat flour. This is really good and I actually enjoy the taste better than the others. As usual, we need milk. So I'm going to be using a plant-based milk. In my case, I can do oat milk, rice milk, and also coconut milk. I like oat milk and then rice milk better, but today I'll be using oat milk. And the last ingredient we're going to use is our buffalo powder. This one is actually top 8 free, however it is made in a factory that produces some of my allergens. I haven't had any problems with this brand, so we're gonna give it a go today. First, we're gonna start by cutting our stem leaves. This is going to free space for you to be able to cut the cauliflower head. I'm going to give you a pro tip. When you're cutting the cauliflower head, make sure that you get rid of the stem and you cut medium pieces. This is going to make it easier for you when you prepare your cauliflower wings. Next, let's go ahead and wash our cauliflowers. I'm gonna spray this soap that is perfect for veggies and fruits, and then I'm going to rinse it off with water. Now, let's prepare the mix. For this, you're going to need 1 cup of oat flour, 1 cup of your favorite plant-based milk. Then make sure you mix these 2 ingredients using a fork. Finally, add 1 cup of cold water. This is essential. Make sure that your water is cold. Then go ahead and mix these 3 ingredients. Now, this is an additional step that is not required. You can add 1 teaspoon of salt or any herbs you might want to mix with your flour. As a substitute for the oil, I usually use water. Anywhere between half a cup to 1 cup is going to be perfect to blend in all of your ingredients, and make sure you create a layer between the mix and the water to prevent your cauliflowers from getting stick into the pan. Once you've completed this step, make sure you submerge every single cauliflower head into your mix. Cover every single space and add it into your pan. Once you're done, bake your cauliflowers for 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit degrees. While we wait on our cauliflowers to be baked, you can mix the powder into any leftover batter. However, if you don't have any leftover, go ahead and mix half a cup of oat flour with half a cup of cold water. Then proceed to remove your cauliflowers from the oven and submerge every single one of them into your buffalo mix. Make sure you cover every single space. And once you're done, go ahead and bake your cauliflowers for 20 more minutes at 350 degrees. Now it's time to get ready to serve our dish. I personally enjoy making side dishes so I can complete my main entree. In this case, I'm going to be adding avocado. As you can see, I cut it in half in a very different way than we are accustomed to. This is because it allows me to get creative with it. If you cut thin slices of your avocado, you will be able to mold it into an avocado ring. You can get as creative with this step. You can make a rose, you can decor your avocado as you may desire. One fun part is that you can use your knife to make sure that you get rid of any edges that don't look fine. Then proceed to include more veggies. In my case, I'm going to add mini carrots. You can also add shredded carrots. And you know what else I'm missing? Every time that I have carrots, I feel like we need a dip. So let's go ahead and make a hummus. I already have my chickpeas cooked. However, if you don't have them cooked, you can use the ones from a can. Go ahead and mix your chickpeas in a food processor. Now go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of lime juice. You can add anywhere from 4 tablespoons to 8, and it's going to make it taste delicious. If you have any leftovers veggies, include them in your mix. Everything is going to taste really good. Mix everything in your food processor, and now you are ready to serve. Hey guys, so this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed getting to learn how to make the cauliflower wings and also the additional decor that I love to add just to complete the plate. Now this is the moment of truth. They are usually spicy. If you add more water or if you add more milk, then you're going to make them less spicy. But in my case, I really like them this way. They're so good, and the cauliflower is really soft. So now that you know how to make cauliflower wings, and let me know when you make it, and also if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you subscribe. All you need to do is click this red button and turn on the bell if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video. I hope you guys enjoy learning about this recipe that was gluten-free, vegan, soy-free, nut-free, and oil-free. I know it was a little messy to make it, but once you serve it, it looks really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye!